What if one simple habit could completely change your financial life? That habit is budgeting. A budget is not about limiting your lifestyle or cutting joy. It is about gaining full control over your money. When you track where every dollar goes, money stops disappearing without explanation. You begin to see patterns, habits, and leaks that were previously invisible. The 50-30-2000 rule, 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings, creates structure, balance, and clarity. Without a budget, money controls your decisions. With one, you decide where your money goes. Financial stress reduces dramatically when you know your numbers. This step lays the foundation for every other wealth-building move. True financial freedom begins with awareness. Clarity creates power, and budgeting becomes the roadmap that guides you toward lasting success. Without it, financial growth remains uncertain. One unexpected expense has the power to destroy months or even years of financial progress if you are not prepared. This is why an emergency fund is essential. It acts as a financial buffer between you and life's surprises. While experts recommend saving 3 to 6 months of expenses, even a small amount like $500 to $1,000 can change everything. It prevents you from relying on credit cards or loans during emergencies. Life will bring challenges, medical expenses, car repairs, or sudden job loss. But preparation turns potential disasters into manageable situations. Keep this fund in a separate savings account so it is not mixed with daily spending. Think of it as financial protection that you hope you never need but are grateful to have. This single step provides peace of mind. Security allows you to make decisions calmly and confidently instead of reacting out of fear. Paying off high-interest debt is one of the fastest ways to improve your financial situation without increasing your income. Credit cards with high interest rates quietly drain your future every single month. The longer debt remains, the more power compound interest has over you. Using strategies like the avalanche method, where you pay off the highest interest first, or the snowball method, where you eliminate smaller balances for motivation, helps you stay consistent. Each dollar freed from debt becomes a dollar that can be saved or invested. Financial freedom begins when banks stop profiting from your struggles. Imagine redirecting those monthly payments toward your own goals and dreams. Eliminating debt is not just a financial win, it is a mental and emotional release. The sooner you begin, the lighter and more flexible your life becomes. Investing allows your money to work for you instead of sitting idle. The earlier you start, the more powerful compound growth becomes. Even small, consistent investments such as $100 a month can grow into significant wealth over time. Options like index funds, ETFs, and retirement accounts such as 401ks and IRAs are designed for long-term growth. Success in investing is not about predicting the market or finding the perfect moment. It is about staying invested over time. Consistency always beats luck. Investing transforms today's discipline into tomorrow's freedom. Waiting for the perfect time only delays progress. Every missed year costs potential growth. Starting early gives time the chance to multiply your efforts. Relying on a single paycheck puts your financial future at risk. Wealthy individuals understand the importance of building multiple income streams. These can include side hustles, freelance work, online businesses, digital products, or rental income. Each additional stream reduces dependence on one source and increases overall stability. Modern technology makes earning beyond a traditional job more accessible than ever. Multiple income streams provide security and accelerate wealth building. This shift moves you from merely surviving to actively growing. Instead of trading time for money alone, you begin creating systems that generate income even when you are not working. Diversification protects you during unexpected setbacks. When one income source slows down, others keep supporting you. Saving money becomes much easier when it does not rely on willpower. Automation removes effort and emotion from the process. By setting up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts as soon as you get paid, saving becomes consistent and reliable. You quickly adapt to living on what remains. Automation protects you from overspending and impulse decisions. Even small automated amounts can grow into substantial savings over time. This method builds discipline without stress. It is like placing your finances on autopilot. You already work hard to earn money. Automation ensures your money works just as hard for you. Systems eliminate excuses, and excuses are often the biggest barrier to financial success. Your net worth is the clearest measure of your financial progress. It represents everything you own minus everything you owe. Tracking this number gives you a complete picture of your financial health. Watching it grow provides motivation and proof that your efforts are paying off. It also highlights areas that need improvement. Whether you use apps or spreadsheets, tracking makes progress visible. Instead of guessing, you gain certainty about where you stand. What gets measured improves over time. A bank balance can be misleading, but net worth tells the full story. Awareness builds confidence, and confidence leads to better financial decisions. Building wealth without protecting it leaves you vulnerable. Insurance serves as a financial safety net against unexpected events. Health, life, auto, and home insurance protect years of effort from being wiped out by one accident or illness. Without proper coverage, a single event can cause massive financial damage. Insurance is not an unnecessary expense, it is protection. Paying a small amount regularly prevents devastating losses later. Choosing the right coverage is important, but avoiding insurance altogether is risky. Wealth creation and wealth protection go hand in hand. Peace of mind is a valuable asset. A strong foundation ensures that progress is not easily undone. Understanding how money works is a powerful advantage. Many people earn income for years without ever learning how to manage it properly. Financial literacy includes understanding interest, investments, credit scores, and taxes. This knowledge replaces confusion with clarity. Learning through books, podcasts, and courses should be treated as a lifelong commitment. Each lesson reduces costly mistakes. Financial literacy saves money and opens opportunities. Ignorance often leads to poor decisions, while education leads to confidence. Investing in knowledge delivers the highest return. Wealth follows wisdom, and informed decisions shape a stronger future. Negotiation is one of the most overlooked financial skills. From salaries to monthly bills, many expenses and earnings are flexible. Asking for a raise or better rates can result in thousands of dollars saved or earned over time. Companies often expect negotiation, yet many people avoid it out of fear. Small negotiations consistently add up. The difference between someone who negotiates and someone who does not is significant over a lifetime. Negotiation is not conflict, it is communication. Knowing your value and expressing it clearly puts you in a stronger position. Asking opens doors, staying silent closes them. The people you spend time with influence your financial habits more than you realize. If your environment promotes careless spending, those behaviors become normal. If your circle values saving, investing, and growth, you naturally adopt those habits. The environment shapes decisions. Joining communities focused on financial improvement exposes you to better ideas and opportunities. Learning from mentors accelerates progress. The right circle encourages discipline and accountability. Negative influences slow growth, while positive ones multiply results. Wealth is rarely built alone. Strong networks support long-term success. Short-term thinking leads to short-term results. Many people prioritize immediate pleasure over future security.